According to the National Electrical Code, specifically NEC Section 250.104a, water bonding connections must be made within 5 feet of where the water pipe enters the building. However, there are several scenarios where the water bonding connection may be located further than 5 feet from the entry point. Firstly, the installation may have been completed before the NEC requirement was in place. Secondly, the piping system may have been modified or extended, resulting in the water bond location being shifted. Thirdly, in some specific instances, code exceptions allow for bonding connections to be made further than 5 feet from the entry point. These exceptions are typically related to the use of non-conducting piping materials or the presence of other effective grounding paths. To troubleshoot this issue, firstly verify the location and extent of the piping system. Inspect the piping system to determine if there are any modifications or extensions that could account for the distance between the water bond and the building entry point. Secondly, check for code exceptions. Determine if any code exceptions apply to the specific installation. This may require consulting an electrician or code authority. Thirdly, test the grounding system. Use a multimeter to verify that the water piping is effectively grounded. The resistance between the water pipe and the grounding electrode should be low. Regarding recommendations, firstly, contact an electrician. Consult a qualified electrician to assess the situation and determine if any safety concerns exist. Secondly, consider rebonding. If it is determined that the water bond does not meet code requirements, consider having it rebonded within 5 feet of the building entry point. Finally, document the deviation. If no immediate action is taken, document the deviation from code requirements and the reasons behind it. This documentation can be useful for future reference or inspections.